Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, today in this video, we are going to discuss a type of mill and we are going to discuss about cone mill in this video. Guys, cone mill is a highly efficient size reduction equipment which is used in industries like pharmaceutical, food, cosmetics. Okay, and this video guys, we will break down it into construction, working principle, applications, advantages and disadvantages. So guys, by the end of this video, you will understand exactly where and how cone mill fits into your production process. Okay, so guys, to start the video, we are going to the first section, which is construction of cone mill. Guys, to understand the construction of cone mill in a simpler and a easy way, we have divided the construction of cone mill into 4 components, which are the cone shaped chamber, which is particularly the heart of cone mill, then the rotor, screen and discharge port. Here guys, the material is fed into the cone where the rotor operates at a very high speed. And guys, the screen which surrounds the rotor has small openings, small perforations that allows only the appropriate size particle to pass through them. And the fine particle is collected at the discharge port. Clear? Very simple guys. The 4 components are clear to you, right? Let's again brief it out. The first is the cone shaped chamber where the material is fed and processed. In the cone shaped chamber comprises of rotor and screen, where the rotor is a type of impeller which rotates and shears the particle which are being fed. The screen, which is the perforated screen that controls the fine particle sizes, means it allows only a particular size of particle, which is the desired size of particle in outlet, to pass through it, keeping the larger particle into the grinding chamber. Okay guys? And at last is the discharge port, which is the exit of processed materials. Clear? So guys, this was a simple construction of cone mill. Now moving on toward the second section of the video, which is the working of cone mill. Now here guys, the material is introduced into the cone-shaped chamber through the feed inlet, and inside the chamber, a rotor with blades spins at a very high speed and which pushes the material towards the surrounding screen. Guys, this screen has small perforation, and as the material is forced against it, which allows only the particle of small enough sizes to pass through the holes, right? Which makes it towards the discharge port. Guys, here the particles are reduced in sizes by combination of shear, impact and centrifugal force, which ensures uniform particle size reduction, right? And if a particle is too large to pass through the screen, it remains into the grinding chamber, where it continuously heat by the rotor until it reaches the desired size. And this continuous action ensures a consistent product size with minimal variations. Clear to you guys? You can also see the working of cone mill here displayed on the screen, where the grinding chamber is been zoomed out, and you can see here that the particles are let to feed into the grinding chamber, which comprises of a rotor. The rotor breaks down the particle into smaller sizes, and the perforated screen allows only the particle sizes which we want into the outlet to pass through it, letting the larger particle to be into the grinding chamber to get grind and convert into smaller particles. Okay guys, so this was a simpler working of cone mill. Now guys, moving on towards the next section, which is the application of cone mill. Guys, the cone mill has major application in 3 industries, which is pharmaceutical, food and cosmetic industries. Guys, talking about the pharmaceutical sector, they are employed for granulation and size reduction of APIs, which is active pharmaceutical ingredient, and also the excipients. Okay, and this ensures uniform particle size reduction for better mixing and formulation of tablets. Talking about the second application, which is in food industries. Guys, in food industries, the cone mill are used for processing powders, spices and even coffee beans. Clear? And the last application is cosmetics. Guys, in cosmetic industry, they are utilized for breaking down the pigments and powder to achieve uniformity in products like face powder or even blush. Clear, guys? So these were the three major applications of corn meal, which were pharmaceutical, food industry and cosmetic industry. Okay guys, now next is about the advantages and disadvantages of corn meal. So let's now look at some of the advantages of corn meal. Guys, one of its main benefit is the ability to produce uniform particle sizes, which is crucial for ensuring the product consistency. Clear? So it is having uniform particle sizes. Then the second advantage is gentle processing. Guys, it's also a gentle milling process, which makes it ideal for heat sensitive or fragile material that could degrade under more aggressive milling conditions. Okay? Additionally guys, corn meal are easy to clean and maintain, which makes it easy for maintenance, and which is also essential in industries with strict hygiene standards like pharmaceutical and food productions. Okay? So guys, these were the four major advantages of corn meal. Moving on towards the disadvantages of corn meal. Guys, over a period of time, the screen and rotor can experience wear and tear, especially if you are processing abrasive material. So guys, the major disadvantage is wear and tear when dealing with abrasive material, and this can even lead to increase in maintenance costs. Then guys, talking about the second disadvantage, which is limited material suitability. Guys, corn meal are suitable for processing only softer material. They are not suitable for processing very hard or abrasive material, as they can damage the equipment. Okay, so they have a limited material suitability. And guys, the last disadvantage is of not having ultra fine milling. Guys, keep in your mind that if you are looking at extremely fine particles or very tough material, then other milling options might be more appropriate compared to the corn mills. Okay guys, so these were the limitations which are important to be considered when we are dealing with corn mill. Okay, so guys, this was all about corn mill, where we discussed about the construction, working, advantages, disadvantages, applications in brief. And guys, that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. And guys, for more video related to chemical engineering, process engineering, chemical safety, industrial safety, you can subscribe to this channel. And guys, as always, feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.